The only way to not get affected by this transient world is to maintain silence as much as possible. Speak only when it is needed and what is needed. Therefore, be calculative in the number of words you use while speaking. Words are energy, and you must be very careful how much energy you want to put out into this world. That is one reason why the self, the true self, the inner self never gets affected by this world, because it knows only one language, and the language of silence. But then how does it communicate with the world? Self doesn't talk to the world. Self talks to itself. Self talking to self. Since it is talking to itself, it does not need any language but silence. Therefore, self talks to itself in silence. Silence is its language. Since it doesn't talk to anyone else, it only talks to itself, because self sees everything as itself. Therefore, it is talking, but it is talking to itself. What is this talking? Whatever self talks to itself, what it means is that whatever self says has already happened. It has already happened in the causal world. That means self has created what it is talking about in the causal world already, in its own reality. Therefore, why does self talk? Self only talks to manifest. Manifest what? Whatever it wishes to manifest, because manifestation is divinity. Divinity is manifestation. So the self talks to itself about what it has already manifested in the causal world. And what self is talking in the form of thoughts, imagination, and feelings is the manifestation in the astral world. What it means is, what self has created in the causal world is being manifested in the astral world in the form of thoughts, feelings, and imagination. Therefore, what self intends to create in the physical reality, it has already manifested in the causal reality, and now it is manifesting in the astral reality in the form of thought, feelings, and imagination. And whatever the self has already manifested in the causal world, which is in the form of idea, and what it has created in the astral world, which is in the form of thought, imagination, and feeling, will automatically manifest in the physical reality. That's why self does not put in effort in the physical reality to create anything or manifest anything, because it knows that what it has manifested in the form of an idea in the astral causal world, and which have been translated into astral world in the form of thought, emotions, and imagination, must find its fulfillment in the physical reality in the form of physical manifestation. Therefore, self only talks to itself in the language of silence, and whatever it talks must manifest in the physical reality. Our only job is to pay attention to what the self is talking about. Once you have heard the words of silence, or rather, once you have heard what the self is talking in the silence, you know it is going to manifest. And to hear what self is saying, you must be silent yourself. In that silence, you will know what self has already manifested in the causal world and astral world, which would soon become evident even in the physical reality. This is the ultimate secret.